Hi, all memory superheroes. This interview is for memory recall aspirants who want to learn faster and want to achieve maximum in their life by keeping all their limitations behind. Today on our show, that is Wisdom from Experts, we have Mr. Vishak Nair, a relationship coach come science teacher. If I had to tell you about Vishak Nair in brief, Vishak Nair is a science teacher and run his own academy. In addition, he also pursues his passion as a relationship coach. He's on the way to set a great example of healthy relationships. He has a very effective and day-to-day life examples to get rid of problems regarding relationships. So let's understand this from him only. So join me to welcome Vishak on the show. Welcome Vishak on the show.
Yes, thank you. Thank you very much.
Yes, welcome Vishak. So you are a relationship coach, right?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So we'll try to understand some aspects, some of your experience regarding that, as well as what you teach, how you teach student, and something related to your life experiences also. So, with your permission, I will start with my very first question. Should I?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So the first question is, why did you make the decision to become a relationship coach? Why a relationship coach?
Well, yeah. If I talk about my own life, I have lived my life on the basis of uncertainties. Okay. Like so many incidents took place in my life, and that changed my life, drastically. Okay. So when it comes to a coach, I never thought that I'll be a coach in my life. Okay. I would like to recall my college days. When I was in college, so what generally happened, like I have a large group. Okay. I believe to talk with so many people. Like I don't believe to engage with them, but at least I believe to talk with them and to generate a rapport. Right. So I, when I was in college, I had a large group. Okay. So when I used to talk to them, generally what happened initially, they used to talk to me regarding their personal matters. Okay. They used to share their problems, and they wanted me to give solution. Okay. So initially it was very hard, listening to such things, accepting, someone personal life things and personal stuffs. Right. But slowly, I found that something is there in me. Okay. So that people comes to me and they actually become very comfortable. Good. And they want me to give solution. Okay. So I thought that this is the best part. Like, if you make anyone happy, if you make anyone comfortable, yes, and if you, help someone to get out from, the problem. Like, I want to give one example. Suppose a person is in the circle of fire. Yeah. Now he or she wants me to pour water and make a way for, him or her to get out from that circle of fire. Right. So, I thought that something in me, something is there which I can say that influences people or, that attracts people towards me. Yes. So, I started giving solution. Like there was some time, solutions were not instant. Okay. But I took time. Like I used to do research. I used to read a lot of books. I used to watch videos on YouTube. And most important thing, I used to put me in that situation. Right. For example, if someone has shared some problem or a situation, so what I'll do, I will sit on the place or on the position where he or she is sitting. Right. So I used to guide them. I used to talk to them, and slowly and gradually, I understood that actually I can help people. Right. So this is a kind of coaching or mentoring. Okay. So this is how then I started, like whenever I used to talk to people, you know, I used to throw some kind of lines or something that that creates the ignition in the mind of opposite person. Right. That if I'm in a problem, I can share with him, or if I need some guidance, I can share with that person. Right. So after 2017, I joined my B.Ed program, Bachelor's in Education. Okay. Before that, I got job in school, but as I was not having a professional degree of education, okay, so there was no hike and there was no surety of job. So I pursued B.Ed and I successfully completed it. And
Okay.
then students started, asking me questions. So I used to handle the students between 8, 9, 10.
Okay.
So it is the age where, lot of
Mhm.
hormonal changes takes place.
Right. Right.
Maximum amount of behavioral changes is
Mhm.
seen in this era,
Yes.
like
Yes.
12.
Yeah.
So many students used to come to me. They used to ask about the academic problem. But apart from
Mhm.
that, there were some students who came to me. They asked some personal space and they shared some of their personal matters which hinders them in education. So I used to give them. I used to guide them by giving
Right.
solution or by giving some practice.
Right.
So this is how this incident, the set of
Mhm.
incidents has
Mhm.
made me a normal person to coach.
Right, right, right. Actually, you were doing all those coaching thing before also, but then you haven't realized that this is actually the coaching is. Now you have
Exactly.
realized that this is the relationship coaching, and now you want to take it to the next level. Great, great.
Exactly, exactly. Yeah.
Yeah, thank you, Vishak, for that. So, if I have to ask you, what are the services that you offer? Maybe this thing you actually help with people, but then there has to be some like services also, like you'll be helping to school going children or to the uh, young adults or the elderly people. So how you do that and what your
Okay.
goals are?
So being honest, like I am on the way to be more professional in this,
Okay.
area. So as if now I have, nothing in a professional or structured way. But
Okay.
yes, if you ask about the services, so what
Mm-hmm.
I dream of,
Mm-hmm.
like I want to give one-to-one counseling session.
Okay.
Another thing is that I have, a set of examples.
Mm-hmm.
Like if we study history, we
Mm-hmm.
have lot of examples which are based on
Great.
relationship.
Yes.
So I have collected them, and
Mm-hmm.
whenever any person will share their problem or
Mm-hmm.
shares the situation, I can
Mm-hmm.
relate with them. So I
Right.
can at least make sure that the
Mm-hmm.
person comes to me goes with
Mm-hmm.
hands-on experience and on the grounds of practicality.
Right.
Not like simply
Yes.
I have talked something, he has
Mm-hmm.
listened something, and he went
Mm-hmm.
away. Not like
Right.
another
Right.
thing. When it comes to relation,
Mm-hmm.
people have generally so many problems. Like if
Yes.
I talk about
Mm-hmm.
students and normal a person like adult or
Mm-hmm.
elder person.
Right.
So problems are ranging from age to age.
Yes.
So some students have the problem like they are not able to read fast or they are not able to remember.
Mm-hmm.
Some people they are not able to plan. Some
Mm-hmm.
people they have problem of procrastination.
Yes.
So these are the problems where people
Mm-hmm.
can speak easily. Like
Mm-hmm.
if we are sitting in a group of
Yeah.
10 or 12,
Yeah.
having a tea or snack something, they can easily
Mm-hmm.
speak that
Mm-hmm.
I'm having a
Mm-hmm.
problem of procrastination. If anyone can help
Right.
me, but
Right.
problems related relationships are very
Mm-hmm.
difficult to share.
Yeah. Explain. Yeah. Mhm. Right.
Yeah, and another thing is that such problems cannot be shared with each and every person.
Yes. Yes.
So the most important thing is trust between me and my client
Mm.
or me and the opposite person who shares with me.
Right.
So I want to make my client sure that if
Yeah.
you are with me
Mm-hmm.
or if you are approaching me, I will never judge you. First of all,
Right.
I'll understand your situation, and the
Mm-hmm.
most important thing, your
Mm-hmm.
talks will remain with me only, no one
Yes.
else.
It has to be. Yeah.
So this is
Mhm.
the best service which I feel.
Right.
Because generally, what
Great.
happens,
Mm-hmm.
like if a person, any person, let us consider
Mm-hmm.
an individual, if he or
Yeah.
she becomes coach,
Mm-hmm.
he or she should not pamper his or her ego,
Yes.
because the person
Mm-hmm.
who is going to come
Mm-hmm.
will be little bit lower than
Yeah.
your height. So
Yeah.
we should always consider them
Mm-hmm.
as
Mm-hmm.
our companions, or we can say
Mm-hmm.
helping people. Like we
Yeah.
should always consider them uh, like they are in a trouble and we need to
Yeah.
pull out rather
Pull
than
them out.
judging.
Yeah.
We need to pull out,
Right.
and we have to hold their hand.
Yes.
We don't have to push them. So
Right.
this is the thing which I want to give
Mhm.
in future.
Great, great, great. Obviously, till the time you'll not understand the person who's has come to you for means solving his problem, and if you're not understanding him and you start judging him, so he may not open up with you. So
Exactly.
Yes. Great, yeah,
Exactly.
great thought.
And he or she might feel, little bit low also.
Yes.
Like
And
rather than
share,
helping, we are pushing him or her more deeper.
Right. So rather than getting solutions, he's feeling low self-esteem person and is not even getting further also, right?
And this thing I have learned from my personal experience only.
Okay.
Like so many of my friends, so many of people whom I met, sometimes it happened that some, some drops of ego are being reflected or are being flashing.
Yes.
So somewhere person feel inferiority. So it depends on the attitude.
Yes.
But yes, when a person is in trouble, like whatever the person is on the basis of values, but when the person is in trouble, he or she will definitely feel low. So that is a perfect time to hold him out.
Hold him, pull him out, right? Great.
Yeah.
Yes. So next question is, what were some of the challenges you faced when you first started? Like when you started taking this seriously, taking it as a career. So what were your challenges?
Okay. So initially, as I told that I was limited to a group of people to whom I know. But when I thought that it should be, it should not be limited. There should not be boundaries. It should be open.
Yes.
So what I thought that, speaking without any grounds or without any base, it will not create anything. It will not create influence, though you are speaking well or though you have a good content. So I was not having a structure that what to speak.
Okay.
But what happened during this lockdown, there were online classes, and the thing which I'm going to share is very interesting.
Okay.
Like,
yeah, please.
when I was teaching chemistry of 10th standard,
Okay.
the first chapter is, it's about reactions, the type of reactions.
Yeah.
And in 9th standard, we have a chapter like it talks about mixtures.
Okay.
So there are two kinds of mixture, like homogeneous and heterogeneous.
Heterogeneous, right?
And type of reaction like combination reaction. So when I was reading that, I applied it to our day-to-day life.
Okay.
Like in relationship, being homogeneous is very important rather than heterogeneous.
Right.
Being homogeneous means to being mix up. Like you need to understand the opposite person. Let it be your wife, let it be your brother, sister, mother, father,
parents,
friend, or a society.
Yes.
So homogeneous is a, like it is not just a scientific definition. If we, take from science and if we apply in our whole life, we can enjoy our relationship.
Yes.
Another thing is combination reaction.
Yeah.
So when I used to explain that A plus B is equal to C.
Right.
So if A is not available and B is available, we cannot get
C. You cannot get the product. Yeah.
Yeah. So combination is very necessary. And same thing is, where we can apply in relationship also.
Yes.
So, for whole day, I was thinking that what to do. I'm getting a structure, but now it's, my time to give effort.
Yes.
To make a structure.
Yes.
So, I created my own, product like thing, that chemistry of healthy relationship.
Okay. Okay.
So I got the structure. Now I wanted to, work, and I'm still on the way.
Okay.
But yes, if you ask me to give the presentation for 1.5 or 2 hours, I'm ready for that, like chemistry of healthy relationship. So initially, what I found is structure was very difficult to represent. Like I was not getting a structure. I was having a lot of stuff, but where to arrange, when to speak, and on what basis you should speak. Like arrangement, everything matters a lot when you give a thing. Finding clients is also one of the
greatest challenges. Yeah, nowadays. Yeah.
Yes. But what I feel is that if I jump into the market, this problem is considerable. Like it is not a big problem.
Yes.
So
day in day out will start working. When you start working, you start getting clients, and then things will move from there, right?
Yes, exactly.
So what I have got from your answer that we have heard of chemistry and relationship. Now you are actually putting that chemistry into relationship and bringing it as a relationship coach. Great.
Exactly.
Yeah. Thank you. So the next question is, where do you find your clients?
Yeah. See, when I represented last time, I found my clients from several WhatsApp group
Okay.
where I am a member. One such group is STC, another like Facebook, and my like my own circle. So as if now, I find my clients from this limited area. But what I am planning to do in future is like creating my own website,
Okay.
or I'll work more on Facebook and Instagram, because there was a time when I started my Facebook account. Uh, People were more eager to post photos and videos and other stuff. But
Right.
nowadays, if you scroll Facebook,
Mm.
in one scroll you will find 3 advertisements.
Right.
Let it be of
Right.
coach or whatever,
Yeah. Yeah.
but you will find.
Yes.
So what I feel is that this is the strongest media where I can
Yes.
reach out people.
Yes.
But for that, I need to have a content. I need to have a proper
Yeah.
structure to come to that level.
Yeah.
So
You
Facebook
need
is
a
my
framework.
main.
You need a framework to get actual proper output from those systems like Facebook and then
Yes,
different aids
yes,
medium. Yeah.
yes. So Facebook and Instagram is my main target in future.
Okay. So have you not thought of taking this to the parents of your students, 8, 9, 10? Because if some student has some issue, so it could have come from the parents also.
Yes.
Like if they are facing some problem. So have you not tried it with the parents, or you? What's your thought? Yeah, if you have to tell me.
See what you asked. I have done, but I have not done in a professional way.
Okay.
Like
Okay.
what happened in a school, in any school,
Mhm.
at the end of the year and in between, middle of the year, they arrange a parents meeting,
Right.
PTM, parent
Yeah.
teacher meeting.
Mhm.
So sometimes it happens that student might have shared something with me
Yeah.
regarding any family issues or regarding the personal issue.
Right.
So I'll think on it whether it is appropriate time to share with the parent,
Yeah.
like whether I need to be spontaneous or is it okay if I deal. So
Yes.
on the basis of my research, if it is spontaneous, I used to call parent or I used to talk on mobile phone
Yes.
and I used to guide them.
Yeah.
Like I used to give them small guidance, like
Yeah.
if you do like this, you will find such kind of results.
Yes.
So, while parents meeting, I used to talk to each and every parent, and
Okay.
they were also giving me the response.
Okay.
So nowadays, I want to give one example, like how I tackle that.
Okay.
Nowadays, if you have seen like education system uh, in today's era and
Yeah.
education before 15 years.
Right.
So before 15 years, I don't guess that students were
Yeah.
involved in such
Yes.
a manner.
These kind of activities. Yeah. They even not talk to their teachers at all. Now they can talk
Exactly.
openly. Yeah. Yes.
They can talk openly. Even they have a lot of stuff to do.
Yes.
Like when I was studying, only textbook, notebook, and workbook, not more
Right.
than that. Now they
Yes.
have practicals, now they have projects, now they have integrated projects, so
Mhm.
many things.
Yeah.
So
Subjects has
in
also changed.
all
Yeah.
this,
Sorry.
yeah. So in all these things, student has become like a pressure cooker.
Yes.
Everywhere he or she's been pressurized.
Right.
Like parent,
Mm.
teachers,
Mm.
schools expectation,
Yes.
and neighbors,
Mm.
society.
Mm.
So sometimes student is
Yeah.
like he or she becomes such a vulnerable that he even can't share.
Yes.
So I used to explain parent that after
Mm.
all, he's a human being.
Yes.
His brain has certain limits.
Yes.
According to his age, he or she is doing well.
Yeah.
Each and every students are different. Not
Yes.
all students are same.
Right.
So you also need to limit your expectations.
Yes.
You also need to share time. Like I want to share a beautiful moment. Uh, Before 2 days, I went to meet my friend. So it was cloudy and breezy, like it was cool atmosphere.
Okay.
So we thought to meet in one of the farms. So we went there and there were some sitting arrangements. And what I saw is that a parent and two children, they came there. They came with small snacks like 2 or 3 packets and one small dabba like lunchbox.
Okay.
They all
Okay.
sat together and they enjoyed for 45 minutes, 45 minutes or 1 hour.
Okay.
And I thought that, this thing one must do at least once
Yeah.
in 3 months.
3 months, yeah, at least, huh?
So, and what I found, like no one were using their mobile phones because
Okay.
they were enjoying their snacks, they were enjoying, the atmosphere, they were enjoying
Right.
the new place.
Yes.
And one small boy, he used to feed his, parents. Generally,
Yeah.
parents feed,
Yeah.
children.
Yeah. Kids.
So these
Yeah.
are the things I explain parents. See, these small things will, make your child feel better. He
Yes.
will feel that, something special, and he or she will share his or her
Ah,
problems.
your problems with you. Yes.
Nowadays, this is the biggest, problem that no one is sharing.
Yes.
All of them are keeping inside.
Inside. Yeah.
Yeah, and no one, spares time, proper time.
Yes. Yes. So that's why the pressure cooker situation is there. Yes.
Yes,
Great.
yes, yes.
Yeah. So the next thing is, if I have to ask you, what is a typical day like for you? How does your day start? When you wake up at this time, you do this and you do this, and you give your time to your student and your relationship coach business. So how you manage everything? Yeah.
Okay. So till 2020, March
Hmm.
2020,
Hmm.
days were very hectic.
Okay.
Like, I was not even getting time for myself, like to pursue my own passion. Because morning, 6 o'clock, I used to wake up, and I'm a religious person, so I spare, at least half an hour for prayers and offering, other ritual things. So after that, me and my wife both used to leave for school. So
Okay.
till 4 o'clock, we were in the school only.
Hmm.
Then it takes 30 minutes to come back to our place.
Yes. Okay.
Then from 5 o'clock,
Hmm.
from 5 o'clock to 8 o'clock, we have our tuition classes. So
Okay.
we were managing the batches, different batches. And after 8, like it's time to cook. And after having dinner, we used to
Right.
sleep. So the life
No
was very
time left. Yeah.
monotonous.
No time left. Yes.
Yeah. So if I want to even pursue my passion or something,
Hmm.
there was no time.
Right.
Then what happened because of lockdown? Uh, Generally for most of the people, lockdown was stressful. But
Yes.
for me, it was something that it was like a mirror. I
Okay.
got time to identify me, that who am
Right.
I, what is
Yes.
my potential, what is there inside me.
Yes.
So for whole day, like I used to conduct only 3 classes
Okay.
and 1 hour for tuition classes.
Okay.
So, barely 4 hours I used to spare for, my
School
education
and
activity.
right
Yeah.
tuitions.
Then I started, reading a lot of books. Like in lockdown, I have read so many books.
Okay.
I was not sitting, if I get time, I'll take a book.
Okay.
And I spend a lot of time with my wife also. So we
Okay.
both understood each other, and
Okay.
that also helped me, to get some aspects of relationship.
Right.
Like 30 to 35% of the problems, if someone shares me, I can recall my moments which I shared with my wife, and I can, generally tell them by giving them example. So, after 2020, my day has become completely different.
Okay.
Like initially, I was not having time, but now I have a lot of time to, pursue my passion and to do some productive.
Right.
So, from childhood itself, I like to wake up early in the morning. But in 2019, like I stopped that habit. I used to wake up at 6. Now I have started waking up by 5:30
Okay.
and performing some rituals and reading books. And I give my time to my family, and as if I have some another goal in future, so I'm
Yeah.
preparing for that.
Right.
So now I have ample amount of time,
Great.
but
Great.
again I am afraid that in future I won't get such time. So I want to learn something regarding planning, like how to
Yes.
plan a day. So I
Yes.
am on the way to that.
Okay. Okay. And as you are a good reader, means we have heard that readers are leaders. So those avid reader inside you is bringing your leadership qualities up, and you are becoming a leader day by day.
Exactly,
Yes.
exactly.
Yes. So, what is your favorite part about being a coach? Like, if you take a coaching session, you doing with your student or your client, what's your favorite part? So this is something which you like the most. Yeah.
See, being a coach itself is the best part. Like
Yes.
whatever coach you are,
Right.
being a coach is best part. But as you asked me this question, I want to answer. before like 3 to 4 years ago, I was taking a part-time tuition classes. I was not full-time tuition, tutor. And there was a requirement as an English teacher. So I'm from science background. I got an opportunity to teach English grammar to the Gujarati medium students. I'm from Gujarat, so it was very difficult to teach them. So I used to spend a lot of time, like 1.5 hours to 2 hours. And one day it happened that one of my students, he came to me and he asked me for half an hour, that I want half an hour from. I said, okay, no issues. Tomorrow we can have that. Tomorrow when I told him that once the classes are over, you sit there, we'll talk. But he ran away. And again he called me that today I was a little busy. But I told that if you're busy, you could have informed me. I was waiting for you.
Yes.
Yeah. So then again he told that sorry sir, next time it won't happen. And next time when I met, so again same thing happened. And third time I told him that see, I am not going to entertain you as you are creating such thing. Then he told me that today 110%. I said, and he locked the door. The class room. He started crying. For 10 to 12 minutes.
Yeah, he was crying.
He cried like anything. I have never seen person crying for 10 minutes.
Right. There has to be something, a very big thing which is hurting him, or he has kept inside him, which he cannot share with anybody. Yeah.
So he hasn't shared that thing for 8 years. And he cried out. He was crying and he shared everything. Like it is very personal that I can't share on.
Obviously, you shouldn't.
So I'm sorry for that.
Yeah, no.
And then I asked him, like I gave the solution. Then I asked him that why you chose me. Like I met you before 2 or 3 months.
Right.
Why you chose me? So he told that I found that you are trustworthy, and I found that you are capable. Like you are mature enough to understand my problem. The problem was such, seriously, even when I heard that problem, I was in a shock. I was shocked for 3 to 4 minutes, like what to speak.
Right.
Like I don't
what
have
solution to give. Yeah.
Sometimes being practical itself is a solution. Or accepting the situation is a solution.
Yeah.
Like, we cannot help.
Yes.
So after 2 or 3 months, I have been guiding him. Like I used to talk to him for 10 minutes. Whenever I get time, I used to call him. And after 6 to 7 months, he was, on the way to being normal. Ready to let that things
go. Right.
And after 6 months, he told me that, sir, I'm satisfied now. So that word, satisfied.
I am satisfied. Yeah.
Yeah. So that is the best part. Another thing, like, I won't take name of that student. He was in 12th standard. And by that time, I left the school where I was teaching, and I started pursuing my professional course, BA. So she came to me and she told that, sir, I want to share something. I said, okay, carry on. So she told that there is a boy in our class, and he's asking for getting in relationship and all this all stuff happens in
in schools and colleges.
So I told her that see, first of all, it's not a big deal. Such thing happens, but you need to look like what is right and what is wrong. You're mature enough to
understand that.
Yes. Another thing I guided her that see, you have two ways. One is either you go in this way. Another, you study well, you focus on your studies, and you pursue your goal.
Right.
If you are selecting, focusing on studies, I guarantee you will get a better result.
Yes.
That is guaranteed. 110%.
10%. Yeah.
100%. You will get that result. Here there is no guarantee.
Yeah.
If you invest your time, if you invest your feelings, if you invest yourself, all of a sudden it may happen that even one day it happens that you don't like, or he might not
you
like.
don't. Right.
So this is not the perfect age to decide.
Yes. Right.
It is the perfect age for studies.
Yes.
And I am not also judging that person that he is wrong.
No, he's right. Right.
But the thing is that I gave the, two separate ways, and I gave the end point. Like, if you start this way, you are at the beginning of the way. I showed her the, goal that where you will reach.
Right.
One way, like if you'll focus, you will get, mangoes, right? Mangoes.
Yeah.
If you want that way, you won't find tree also.
Yeah.
So there is no question of
no guarantee. Yeah. No guarantee. Yes.
Yeah, you might find. You might,
Yeah.
but the word is might. And when it comes might,
you are ready for that
can't
might
take
or
any
not.
kind of
Yeah.
risk.
Right. Yes.
So she was very happy. And she told that, sir, you explained it very quickly.
Yeah.
I said, whatever it is, but you keep on focusing it, and you
Yeah.
only decide.
Yes.
I can't tell you.
It's your
Like,
life.
this
You
is
have to decide. Yeah. Right.
Yeah. Then even now, even today, like it is a it is an incident of 2017 or something, 2017, 18 something.
Okay.
Even today, she is in touch with me, and she is pursuing her further studies, and she is happy. And
Great.
she even once she told me that thank you for helping in that matter. Otherwise, something
I
might
would have
have
gone to some other way and then never
exactly.
find the way which I thought. Right. Right. Great. Great, Vishal. Kudos to you that you have helped somebody with such a difficult mind. Yeah. What advice would you share with someone who wants to become a relationship coach? If somebody wants to become a relationship coach, want to start his career as a relationship coach, what one advice you want to share with that guy or that person or that coach?
Okay, I have set of advices for a person to become any kind of coach, let it be relationship coach or any kind of coach. First thing is jump into the market.
Okay.
Like, don't think that you are limited or no one will listen to you.
Yes.
Okay, jump. Everything will happen.
Yeah.
But for that, you need to take a step.
Yes.
Once you have taken step, then you will walk. You will walk faster. You will run. You will reach somewhere.
Yeah. Start from crawling. Start from crawling first. Once you start crawling, then you start walking and running. Yeah, definitely.
And this thing I have learned from Rohini Mundra's course.
Okay.
Like, sitting at a place or sitting in a room, you talk to your parent or you talk to your friends. That will make difference in people's life. It won't make much difference.
Yes.
If you want to really, being a coach, like if you want yourself that people should listen to you and whatever you will speak, that will add values in their life.
Yeah.
So you need to, jump into market.
Yes.
Another thing that, keep on working.
Yeah.
Just now, before starting this meeting, I read one thing about Bolt.
Okay.
Usain Bolt.
Yeah.
So what he has written now, I don't know whether he has written or not, but the photo was there and it was a quote that to make a record, I worked for 4 years.
Okay.
I worked for 4 years.
4 years. Yeah.
And nowadays, if person is not getting the result within 2 months, he or she,
getting frustrated and attempting some different. Yeah.
So they stop there and they start something new.
Right.
So keep on working and wait for the moment. Yeah. Like in each and every person's life, each and every popular person's life, only a moment works.
Yes.
Like a single moment has changed their life, whether positively or negatively.
Yes.
But
that moment of glory takes a lot of effort, a lot of perseverance. Then only that comes. Yeah.
Exactly. But the thing is that till that moment you need to work. Then only you will be able to grab that moment.
Yes.
Otherwise you
and you will enjoy also. You will enjoy that
exactly,
moment.
Exactly.
Yeah. Yes.
And the last advice, which is very effective, like do what you say or say what you do.
Yes. Stick to it.
Because once it had happened to me, like I was, as a teacher, I have to not only I have to teach the things which are included in book, which are there in books. I am a kind of teacher. I believe that that is your job which you are doing.
Yes, experiential learning kind of. Yeah, experiential learning.
Yeah, actual teaching is something where you make students capable.
Yes.
Otherwise, now you see the YouTube videos. Some edutech companies. So I think that some bright students, they don't need teachers. They, by listening to videos, listening to audios, by reading, they can grab 80% of the things by their own.
Yes.
So once I was advising my students, and one of my students got up and he told that, sir, it is very easy to advise, but it is actually very difficult to do.
Yeah, right. Implement, yeah.
Very, very respectful manner. So I understood, and then what I started, like I was not giving them a bunch of advices, one by one.
Okay.
Whenever I get time, I will pick out one value and
share it with them.
Share with them. So at that time, I understood, like whatever you are doing, whatever that thing should reflect.
Yes.
Like, that will give a very different kind of effect.
Obviously,
for example,
yes.
I am reading books. Now I have a lot of books. I have read almost like 80% of my collection. I have read it.
Great.
So now if I tell someone that you read books, then there'll be an essence, like the glow on my face, my voice will have different strength. It will give an effect. Otherwise, simply read a book, and if someone will counter your question, you'll be able to
answer that, yeah, because you have not did that.
Right. Yeah. If someone asks that what kind of book should we read, what we answer if we haven't read.
Yes. Yeah. Right.
It's very important. Like, do what you say or say what you do. Like I believe in this. Like in this mantra, in this do what you say what you do.
Yes.
And I'm on the way of it. Like I also each and every moment I think that I am a coach. I am going to become a coach. So many people is going to listen me, and so many people are even listening. So it is very important for me to do. And in relation, like problems are burning. Like we have a burning issues. So it is very important. Like if I guide someone to being loyal, first it is very important that I must be loyal.
Loyal, yeah.
Then only I can guide him on.
Yes, yes. Then only that authority will come. Otherwise, that authority will not come. When you will say no, that people will not feel that authority from your side. Yes.
Exactly.
So, Vishak, like today is completely online atmosphere. So, if somebody have to find you, where they can find you, like where they can reach you on online or offline, if they want to have some advices, some relationship advices from you, of being coached.
Okay.
Relationship coach. So where they can get it. Yeah.
Okay. So as I mentioned that in future I'm planning to get my own website.
Okay.
So this is something which in future people can find me.
Right.
As if now I have circulated my WhatsApp number. I am there on Facebook. So this is the medium like people can reach.
Okay. So are you on LinkedIn? Sorry, are you on LinkedIn also?
No, I'm not there on LinkedIn.
Okay.
Like as if now I say that mouth publicity, I can say the word mouth publicity I can use. Like people may find me with that resource.
Okay. Great.
I'm very new to this line. I'm actually very new.
No, you're doing it. You're doing it from for. I think when you started your career or when you started making friends, you're doing that. But then right now you've taken it as seriously to do it as a relationship.
Exactly.
So you cannot say that I'm very new to this. But the only thing now you're refurbishing, you're actually learning those skills day by day and becoming expert in that field. Yes. So thank you, Vishak. These were the questions which I planned to ask you. And I have enjoyed this session, this question answer session, this interview a lot. What about you? How was what's your experience?
Even I enjoyed.
Okay.
Even I enjoyed. Like the questions which you framed, that were very, very excellent questions because question itself has covered the whole journey.
Right.
Like these are the questions where it is not like that only you are enjoying or I am enjoying.
Yeah.
If someone listens to this video, he or she will definitely enjoy.
Relate with
this conversation. The questions were framed in such a way that conversation will not remain a simple conversation.
Right.
It will become a healthy conversation.
Healthy conversation. Right.
So I seriously appreciate you for framing such questions.
Yes.
And I seriously want to thank you to invite me on your show.
Yeah.
And I'm
Most
really
welcome.
very happy to have you in your show.
Yes. So thank you for your kind words. And with this, if you allow me, so I have to stop here. Thank you very much, Vishak. Thank you.
So yeah, thank you.